Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I owed a friend of mine from Toronto for some Redborn shells, so I wound up building him this NSC 40-9W. Everything on it is correct except for the nose light. I didn't move the nose light to the top, but everything else. It has the top mount ditch lights on the front and rear. I added all of the white striping to the sills, and pretty much has all the detail parts that you would expect on an NS-9. So why don't we just take a look at the lighting and it running a little bit here, and it also has a Tsunami modern FDL16 decoder in it. It's a custom number to 9001. I added the Sinclair antennas onto the cab roof, and I also added the firecracker antennas onto the middle of the unit. It has all the wind deflectors and the mirror, and I added all of the appropriate warning symbols all over the unit, which do not come with the Kato -9s. Okay, so why don't we just stop this here? Try to get this positioned properly. You don't see the other side, but it also has the AC unit, which is painted gray, and it has the knuckle box behind the AC unit as well. But you could see that all the pictures on my website. And all the grab irons are all metal, including the ones on the nose, which I had to bend. And again, just for a record, okay, well, thanks for watching, and it was really fun building this. It was a lot of work, but I think it turned out really nice. Pretty accurate, like I said. Other than the nose light not being moved to the top, it's pretty much dead on. So, all right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.